Tired of that default messenger ringtone? Let's spice things up. I'm about to show you how to change your messenger ringtone in just few taps. Let's get your notifications sounding fresh.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution,
And today I'll walk you through the process of how to change your messenger ringtone. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the messenger app on your screen. Ready to personalize? Let's go. Now tap on the three horizontal line at the top left and on the settings icon. This is where all your settings live. Scroll down until you find notification and sounds. Tap on it to access your notification settings. Under the notification preference, look for ringtone. Tap on it to bring up the list of available ringtones. Browse through the list and pick the ringtone you want. You can tap to preview it before choosing. Once you found the one you like, just select it. Once you have chosen your new sound, you are all set. So this is how to change your messenger ringtone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.